Pues, congrats ha. Kakasal ka na. Alam ko, di ko na tayo makakainom yan. Sasakal ka naman.
You're mine, always you're mine.
Love, totoo nga ang sabi nila na ang Dubai ay city of dreams. Dubai was my most impulsive decision. But standing here now in front of you, I know that every detour bago ka dumating sa buhay ko, every twist and turn, every questionable life choices was actually meant to be, because every step was leading me straight to you.
And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100
Love, ito na yung araw na pinakihintay natin. Kung dati, pinag-uusapan lang natin to bago matulog, pero ito na to. Nandito na tayo. Dearest Paul, my soon-to-be husband, as we stand on the brink of forever, I want to give you this watch as a token of our timeless love. May every tick remind you of the precious moment we shared and the countless memories we have yet to create. Your bride and soon-to-be wife, Shermaine.
Paul, I didn't just find my greatest love in you. I found the best vision of myself with you. You make me a better person. You make me dream bigger. You made me humble, kinder, and you inspire me to do more.
I choose you. This is more than just
Kung uulitin man ang buhay ko, gusto ko ikaw pa din ang makilala ko at makasama ko sa habang buhay. Ikaw pa din ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. Ano man mangyari sa mundo ngayon, hindi ko ipagpapalit ang mga ngiti mo. At ikaw ang gusto kong makita sa bawat pagising ko. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang decision sa buhay ko at walang papantay sa'yo.
'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the cloud.
And I vow to be your kahati sa twin pack na kape. Because my love, you are my lobster. You are my Chandler Bing, and I am your Monica Geller for the rest of our life. I can't wait to spend forever with you.
We choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into
Today, I stand before you not just to make promises, but to say thank you, love. Thank you for choosing me every single day. Thank you for loving me the way you do. Thank you for showing me that I'm worthy of love this deep, this pure, this unconditional.
I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
Nangako ako na papahalagaan kita sa bawat araw na ibinigay sa atin. At maging masaya man o malungkot. Alam ko, wala kang valid ID sa Pinas. Pero ibibigay ko naman sa iyo yung valid ID ko. I love you, love.
This is where it starts.
My love, as we stand on the edge of forever, I wanted to give you this small token, my love, a bracelet to remind you of the strength and beauty of the bond that we share. Just like this bracelet, may our love always shine and remain unbroken. I can't wait to begin this next chapter with you. You are my everything, today and always, forever yours, Paul.
When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day every moment and every breath you take. I choose you.
Sa Kapampangan, manyaman! Mayor! 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 Mayor!
Uy, wow! Awit ang mga pilikmat na iiwas.
Kaya atin sila namin.
Serious note, okay, nagugutom lang talaga ako.